Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for the binding of ISAC error code 172. Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. As per our research, the error comes when players try to play the game but are unable to continue because of this code. According to our research, the error is likely caused by outdated files, or conflicts with mods, or temporary issues on the game's side. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to close everything and restart your device. Once restarted, relaunch the game and check for the error. If the error still comes, check if you have any pending updates for the game or the mods. Install the updates if available, and then see if the error still comes. If the error persists, delete your mods and try playing without them. But before doing so, make sure to back up any important data that might get deleted in the process. After removing the mods, relaunch the game and check if this resolves the error. At last, if nothing helps, then the issue might be from the game's side. In this case, wait for some time and try again later. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.